Let's solve this question now.
Question 10. What is the ratio of the number of molecules in 71G of gaseous chlorine to the number of molecules in 2G of gaseous hydrogen? In this case, we need to remember that the same number of moles means the same number of molecules. Let's calculate the moles of chlorine and hydrogen. 1 for chlorine, Cl2, moles mass in grams, molecular mass of Cl2 71G mole, mass 71G moles of Cl2 71G mole, 1 mole 2 for hydrogen H2. Moles mass in grams, molecular mass of H2 2G mole, mass 2G moles of H2 2G mole, 1 mole. Since both chlorine and hydrogen have the same number of moles, 1, they also have the same number of molecules. Therefore, the ratio is 1.1, and the correct answer is what?
If you find this question difficult, you need to revise the relevant topics from cambridgeclassroom.com.